All right, everybody. So this is going to be a quick video just to show how the furnace interacts with our dots. I have a 7% furnace. Okay, so what you're going to see is you're going to see my dots doing, depends on if they crit or not, probably around, between 12 to 20 million, depending if they crit. So any number you see higher than that is going to be from the furnace. Especially when GOM is at high health, you're going to see 143 million or almost 200 million. Well, I just switched it to T6, so maybe closer to like 200 something million. But we'll see what we get depending on when it procs. So there was a 200 something million. So I'm taking right now for 6.5 million. So you're going to see bigger numbers come up than that. 225 million. 183 million. So that gives you an idea of what the furnace does. There was an 87 million. So you can see now he's down to lower health. The damage obviously goes down because it's based on the enemy's remaining health. Oh shit, might actually die. Oh well. Just wanted to show what the effect was there. Oh, I didn't die because I have Spirit Vessel. There we go. So there you have it, the furnace.